Today we're gonna make squid with curry sauce, and that's the squid we're gonna get. You can get them the one whole piece, or you can get one is already clean and ready to cook. And that's the one we use. We use about probably around a little bit over a pound of squid, and I show you how to cut one of them, and they are like that. And you cut them in half. And clean it. And you have to cut them coarse cut like that. Just do it one side. And you turn it over to the opposite side, so like that. Okay, and then you cut it into little pieces like that, and you do it on this one too. So. And you turn it over to the other side like that. Okay, then you same thing, you cut it in little pieces. Alright. And we got some water ready, just plain water. You just put it in there. You wait until boiling and you just put it in there. Like that, see? You don't have to cook it real long, just they only take about just less than probably a minute you can get this cooked. And this way we can just stir fry them later. So it's not going to be that much watery, Okay. That's about done. Then we bring it to the sink and kind of dump it. Just like that. So we're going to stir fry them. And we put some oil into it. Any kind of oil will be okay. And you heat it up. And you put a little garlic into it. Maybe a teaspoon of garlic. And a teaspoon of ginger, chopped ginger. After that, we put the onions into it. Okay, then now we put the other stuff in it, like we have some diced some strip celery and green pepper and red pepper, and we're gonna put a few more ginger in it. Gingers. Then we put 2 tablespoons of cooking wine. And now we put the curry curry powder in it. We three teaspoons, or if you want it more spicy, you can put more. But we try about 4 teaspoons. And we put half a cup of water in it. And around 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And 1 tablespoon sugar. So you wait until it's boiling a little bit, just a little bit. And about half white teaspoon of white pepper. And now we're gonna thicken it a little bit. Let's make some just need some cornstarch with a little bit of water. Just like that. We only need a little bit. I think that's good enough. Then we're gonna put the squid in it right now. And you fry them up here a bit because to kind of browning up a little bit and kind of you want to kind of thicken the sauce a little bit. You're not that runny. See? And also a little bit of sesame seed oil. Okay, put a little bit of soy sauce in it too. So they look kind of deep color. So I think it's ready. So we're going to put it on the plate. Okay, that's a squid with curry sauce.